Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to grow on YouTube. Understanding your traffic sources. Imagine building a fantastic restaurant, but having no idea how people are finding their way to your door. Are they seeing your advertisements, getting recommendations from friends, or simply stumbling upon you while walking by? On YouTube, knowing how viewers discover your content is just as vital. It empowers you to refine your strategy, reach more people, and ultimately, grow your channel. YouTube Analytics provides a detailed breakdown of where your views are coming from, and these insights are gold. Let's break down the most common and important traffic sources. 1. YouTube. 2. Suggested videos. 3. Browse features. 4. External traffics. 5. Direct or unknown. 6. Other YouTube features. How to optimize. In conclusion, understanding your YouTube traffic sources isn't just about looking at numbers. It's about understanding your audience and the journey they take to find your content. By regularly checking your YouTube analytics, particularly the Reach tab, you can identify which sources are performing well and which ones need more attention. Are most of your views coming from YouTube? Then double down on your SEO. Is suggested videos your biggest driver? Keep creating compelling content that keeps viewers hooked. By strategically optimizing for these different traffic sources, you empower your channel to reach a wider audience, foster greater engagement, and ultimately, achieve sustainable growth on YouTube. Thank you.
अपने ट्रैफिक के ज़राए को समझना। एक शानदार रेस्टोरेंट बनाने का तस्वीर करें, लेकिन ये नहीं जानते कि लोग आपके दरवाजे तक कैसे पहुंच रहे हैं। या वो आपके इश्तिहारात देख रहे हैं, दोस्तों से सिफारिशात हासिल कर रहे